Welcome back. Every great civilization depends on one thing: balance. But what happens when justice disappears? What happens when truth is ignored? Today we explore two of Africa's greatest principles of harmony: Allah in Igbo Odinani and Maat in ancient Kemet. Imagine a society where no one respects agreements, where promises mean nothing, where justice is bought by the powerful, where truth becomes optional. How long could such a society survive? Ancient African civilizations understood that civilizations are not held together by buildings alone. They survive because people uphold shared values. In Igbo Odinani, one of the central figures associated with moral order is Allah, also called Ani. Allah is closely connected with the earth, fertility, community well-being, and moral law. Because the earth sustains life, respect for Allah included respect for ethical conduct. Actions such as murder, serious violations of community law, or desecration of sacred spaces were regarded as offenses that disturbed both society and the moral relationship between people and the land. Justice was therefore not simply punishment. Justice restored harmony. Now consider ancient Kemet. One of its most enduring concepts is Maat. Maat represents truth, justice, balance, order, and harmony. Egyptian texts describe Maat as the principle that sustains both the natural world and human society. Kings were expected to govern according to Maat. Judges were expected to apply justice through Maat. Ordinary people were encouraged to live honestly and fairly. Although Allah and Maat belong to different cultures and should not be treated as identical, they share a remarkable insight. Both traditions recognize that ethical living is essential for communal well-being. Without justice, trust disappears. Without trust, cooperation weakens. Without cooperation, society struggles to flourish. This lesson remains relevant today. Modern societies often focus on technology, economic growth, political systems. These are important. But without integrity, none of them can fully sustain a civilization. Think about a building. The tallest structure depends upon a stable foundation. If the foundation weakens, the building eventually cracks. Human communities work the same way. The foundation is not concrete. The foundation is character, truth, fairness, responsibility. There is another lesson hidden here. Balance is dynamic. Life constantly changes. New problems emerge. New decisions appear. Maintaining harmony therefore requires continual effort. It requires listening, reflection, correction, humility. Ancient wisdom reminds us that justice is not only the responsibility of leaders. Every conversation, every agreement, every decision, every act of honesty contributes to the health of society. The question is no longer simply, do I want justice? The deeper question becomes, am I helping create it? Because civilizations rise not only through powerful rulers, but through ordinary people who choose integrity every day. If this teaching inspired you, please like this video, comment below with your thoughts, and share it with someone passionate about African history and spirituality. Follow for our next episode as we explore the four elements and the hidden wisdom of nature in African cosmology.